Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this week lecture, we are going to discuss about problems related to sum of exterior angles of a polygon. So we have to discuss sum of exterior angles of a polygon. What is their sum? So but before going further, we have to define what are exterior angles, right? So we can see here in this diagram, we can see a polygon which has 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, which has 5 sides. So we call it a pentagon. Now previously we have discussed that what are interior angles. We know that what are interior angles. So all angles inside the polygon, we call them interior angle. So angle A is interior angle, angle B is interior angle, angle C is interior angle, angle D is interior angle, and angle E is interior angle. So all these 5 angles are interior angles. So what will be exterior angles then? Exterior angles are outside the polygon, like this. So if I produce here, if I produce this line here, so and this side, this angle P is exterior angle. Similarly, we can say that this angle Q is exterior angle, this angle R is exterior angle, angle S is exterior angle, and angle T is exterior angle. So all these angles are exterior angles. Now we are more interested to find out what will be their sum, the sum of exterior angles of a polygon. What will be the sum of exterior angle of polygon? So we move to this slide, which says that sum of exterior angle of a polygon is 360. So there is 360. So sum of all exterior angles of this polygon, which is pentagon. So how many sides are there? One side, second, third, fourth and fifth. So there are 5 sides. So this is a pentagon, and their sum of all the exterior angles must be equal to 360 degree. So how do we prove it? It is very important to understand. So how do we get this result? We will use the combination of interior angle and exterior angles to find the result, right? Now we can see that, for example, we have a line and we have 2 angles made by a line, right? So this is angle A and this is angle B. So we can say that their sum must be equal to A plus B, which is equal to 180 degree. We will use the similar concept to prove that sum of exterior angle of any polygon is 360 degree. Now here similar concept we use. So I can produce this side here. So I get 2 angles, angle A and angle B, right? So angle A and angle B, their sum, this is angle A and we have this angle, this is angle B. What will be their sum? Their sum will be 180 degree. So I can write it like this: A plus B is equal to 180 degree. Similarly, B plus Q. So if I talk about this angle, which is B plus Q, right? If I talk about this angle B plus Q, we have here which is B and we have a which is angle Q. What will be their sum? Their sum will be 180 degree. Similarly, angle C and R here, angle C and R, their sum will be 180 degree. Their sum will be 180 degree. And we can see that the angle D and S, their sum will be 180 degree. E and T, their sum will also be 180 degree. So now I have to add all these 5 interior angles and 5 exterior angles. what will be the sum of all these exterior and interior angle? So now here, so I have written angle A, P, B, Q, C, R, D, S, E and T. All these angles are interior and exterior angles. So I have to multiply this. How many? There is 181, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have to multiply it 5 multiplied by 180 degree. Right? The sum of all those interior angle and exterior angle is 5 multiplied by 180 degree. Right? Now I'm more interested to find out what will be the sum of exterior angles. Now all these angles, angle E, D, A, B, C, E, D, A, B, C, all these 5 angles are interior angle. So I combine them here, A, B plus, these are all interior angle. So I have to find out what will be the sum of exterior angles, or all these exterior angles are here. Now how do we find out the sum of interior angle? In the previous lecture we have discussed a formula to calculate the sum of interior angle of a polygon, right? So we will use the same concept here. Now we have developed the formula, and which was n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree, which is the sum of interior angle of a polygon. So how many sides are here? There are 5 sides, so we use the same formula, right? 5 minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree, so which gives us the result, which is 540, right? 540. So this will be the sum of all interior angles, right? So the sum of all interior angle is 540. So sum of all interior angles is equal to 540. Now this is equal to, all these are exterior angles, this is equal to 900. In the next step we take this 540 to the other side, which means that we have to subtract it out, which becomes 540 degree. Now if I subtract it, 900 minus 540, so I get the result, which is 360 degree, right? So by using this method we can show that the sum of exterior angle of a hexagon or heptagon or hexagon, so all these exterior sum of all the exterior angles will be 360 degree. We generalize this concept that sum of exterior angle of any polygon is equal to 360 degree, right? So this is our answer.